Hi friends, this is Nageshwam. Welcome to my channel ITbot143. In this tutorial, I will show how to design forms using Form Wizard in MS Access 2007. In my previous tutorial, I have prepared a table with student information. To design a form, come to Create. In More Forms, please select Form Wizard from drop-down list. It is showing available fields in your table. We can select specific fields to show them in the form. To select individual field, please click on this icon, or if you want to add all the fields, please click on this and click on next. One thing we need to remember that only selected fields will be shown on the forms. And here please select a layout for your form. Here you will get different layouts: columnar, tabular, datasheet, justified. Here I'm selecting columnar and click on next. Here we need to select the style to our form. You will get different styles. Here I'm selecting module, click on next, and we need to enter a title to our form. And do you want to open the form or modify the forms design? I'm selecting modify the forms design. Click on finish. Now we are in the design mode. If you want to add the background color to give a nice look, please select all the fields. Once all the fields are selected, right click and come to fill our back color. Please select your color preference. Similarly, for labels, please select all the labels. And for labels, I want to give yellow color. Here we can resize the columns. Similarly, we can resize the height of a box. And to align the form, please select all the fields and right click, come to align and select left, right, top, bottom, and also to grid. Now come to view and please select layout view. Here we can see the design of our form. To change the font size, come to design view. Again select all the columns and come to font. Select your font size and we can change the font style also. And if you want to change the design, come to arrange. In auto format you will get different formats. You can select the design for your form. And to add date or time to our form, come to design and please click on date and time. Here if you want to add date and time, please select both the options. Otherwise, if you want to add only date, please select the date option and uncheck time. Click on OK. And here it is showing the date format. After inserting the date, we can change the color and font size. Come to font color. Here I want to add white color and I want to increase the font size. And I'm selecting bold letters. Again, we can insert a logo in our form. For that, come to logo and please select your logo. Here I want to add this as logo. Now come to layout view and here it is showing the date and logo. And I want to add few buttons like add new record, save record, and also navigation buttons like go to previous record, go to last record, next record, and go to first record. For that, again come to the design view. Here please select button and simply draw a rectangle. Here we need to select a category and action to be performed when the button is pressed, and come to record operations. Here I want to add new record. Click on next, and you want to keep a text or picture on the bottom. Here I want to add text and click on next. And if you want to add a name to your button, please type your name and click on finish. Similarly, I want to add one more button to save the record. Come to record operations, please select save record Next, here I want to add text. Next, finish. And to change the style of a button, please click on the text box and come to Format Painter, and please click on Add Record. Come to Format Painter and do it for Save Record. And to align the buttons, please select both the buttons. Right click, come to Layout, and please select Staggered. Again come to Button and please select Record Navigation. Here I want to add, go to First Record. Next, here I want to use Picture. Next, and click on Finish. And similarly, I want to create few more buttons. After creating the buttons, you need to place the buttons. And to align the buttons, please select all the buttons. Right click, come to Layout, and please select Tabular. Again, I want to add a chart. To add a simple chart, click on Insert Chart. Draw a rectangle. Here we need to select Table or Query to create our chart. Here I don't have queries, so I'm selecting tables. And click on Next. Select the field that contain the data for the chart. Here I want to select date of birth. And click on Next. Select a chart. Click on Next. 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 If you want to add a title for your chart, please type it here. And please select the option Yes, Display a Legend. Finish. Now we got a chart. Come to Layout View. Let's check in other records. And after this, I want to show you briefly how to use other forms. And come to Table. Please select Create. Here I want to select multiple items. This will show multiple records in a data sheet with one record per row. Here the rows are very tall. We can resize the rows as well as columns. This form is also called as a continuous form because it will show the records continuously one after another. After this, we have another form type. Come to Create and please select Split Form. It will show list of records down below and shows a single form on the top. And we can switch between different records by clicking on the names. Like this, we can design forms using Form Wizard in MS Access 2007. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please click on like button and please share this video with your friends. And please visit my channel ITbot143 to watch more latest uploaded videos. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you friends. Have a nice day.